check audio video is okay or not. I think fine now. Let's see. Right. Hi, good evening. Good evening, everyone. So, good evening, everyone. So, topic is foundation class of programming and data structures. Programming and data structures, some foundation means I will take one problem, whatever basics required, I will explain in these classes. So, I think until now 3 classes are happened, it is the 4th class. In every class what I done is I took one problem, right? I explained all the basics which are needed and I explained that problem also. Actual topic, right? Actual topic takes 50 lectures. Programming and data structure will take 50 lectures. Out of them I am explaining only 5 lectures. Out of 50 lectures I am explaining only 5 lectures. In the 5 lectures, whatever possible I am explaining. Foundation class of programming and data structure, it is the 4th lecture. It is the 4th lecture, right? Let's start this. This is the first problem. Can you, if anyone knows, please can you try? If anyone knows, please try. Is it screen is visible? Is screen visible? Is screen is visible or not? Yeah, so problem is not visible. Problem is visible, right? I will try again. Now check the problem. Now maybe fine, right? Now fine, I think so. Now it's fine. Yeah, so now can you try this? So if anyone unable to see this, let me check one time. See this one. Consider a hash table consisting of 11 slots and suppose integer key value are hashed into the table using hash function h1. So hash table contain 11 slots and integers are hashed into the table using hash function h1. h1 is given like this, right? h1 is given in the form of a, right? h1 is given in the form of a hash function is given in the form of a program. Everyone know the purpose of a hash function is if you give any key, finally it should produce one of the slot which is there in the table. Table contain 11 slots means 0 to 10. So the output whatever is going to come here, right, it should be in the range from 0 to 10. Of course it should be 0 to 10 only, because see this one, you are dividing by 11, you are dividing by 11, remainders are 0 to 10 only. So this hash function which is given in the form of a program, will take key as input, it will give one of the slot which is there in the hash table. And one more, whenever you are doing like this one, for these keys also given. For these keys, when you apply this hash function, at anywhere collision will come, right? Linear probing you have to use. These keys, if you are hashing in the hash, if you are keeping these elements in the hash table, some point of time collisions may come. Collisions are resolved by using linear probing. And one more, hash function also given. See, any hash problem if you take, the things which are needed is hash table size needed 0 to 10. Hash function needed is, it is given in the form of a program. Collision resolution technique, linear probing also given. Elements required, elements also given. Then is asking what will be the output of this program. What are the, right, is asking what are the final contents of the hash table after the following keys have been inserted in the given order. He is saying contents of the hash table, 4 options are given. We have to identify. Let's take the first element. Do calculations properly. Let's take the, right, is there anyone who is having doubt? Is it visible or not visible? Some people are asking, sir, should I attend this series before attending live on Plus for DS? No, Arun, it is not for you. Arun, it is not for you. These are I think these are for only YouTube people. These are only for YouTube people. These are not for Plus people. These are for only YouTube people. Right? I will say, Srijan, I will say, after this problem is over, I will explain. Let me complete this problem. Right? Hash table size given 0 to 10. Hash function given in the form of a program. Collision resolution technique, linear probing is given, and keys also given, and they are asking if you apply hashing on the given information, how the hash table look like. Right? We'll try this. Can you help me now? What is the first key? 43. What is the first key? 43. So please do calculation properly. First key is 43. Please do calculations properly. Let's start. 43. Initially table is empty, so 43 started. Key 43. Can you help me now? X is 43. So key plus 5. 43 plus 5. 48. 48 into 48. X is 48 into 48. X is 48 into 48. Fine. Next one. Next line. X by 16. 16 2 is 32. 16 3 is 48. It is the 3. So 3 into 48. Next one, I think division is completed. Next one, key plus, right? So I think X plus key. How much it is? 340 is 12, right? 120. 3 8 is 24. I think 160, right? I think 3 4 is 12, right? 120 and 3 8 is 24. Which is going to be I think 144. Which is going to be 144. 3 into 48. 3 4 is 40. 3 8 is 24. 3 4 is 12. Sorry for this one. 3 4 is 12. 120. Right? And one more thing. 3 8 is 24. 120 plus 24. 144. That's okay. So I think afterwards, right? X plus key. I think X is going to be 144. Key is going to be 43. Which is going to be 187. Check if I am doing anything afterwards, right? With 11 divide. What is the remainder? 11 ones 11. Remainder is going to be, I think, 7, right? Am I right? 11 ones 11. Remainder is 7. 11 7 77. I think remainder, if you see, 0 will come. X value 0, return 0. Finally, if I give 43, finally 0 is coming. Please verify, please check calculations properly. Do calculations properly. So from this problem, listen, from this problem you have to understand one thing. In GATE examination they may ask questions, right, on speed also. How much fast you are in the calculation, they may ask this also. So people used to say that question paper is lengthy. This year GATE examination few questions are given which are lengthy. So my suggestion to all of you is please practice speed also. Speed may not come at a time. Please practice the speed also. So 43 finally going to 0. If I give 43, finally 0 came. So in the hash table, 43 will go 0 to 10 means 43 will goes to 0. If you want, you can identify 43, right? 43. Can you see in the available option, 43 will goes to 0 where? I think only option A. Only option A. Can you verify properly? Can you verify properly? Right, again, if you want, you can check once again. Key is 43. 43 plus 5, 48. 48 into 48. Right, I think 48 into 48 followed by 16. Right, I think 16 3 is 48. 3 into 48, 3 4 is 12, 120, 3 8 is 24, which is going to be 144. Next one. Right, x is equal to x plus key 43. 144 plus 43, which is going to be 187. 187 modulo 11, 11 ones 11, 7 remainder, 7, right, 11 7s is 77. I think remainder is 0. Finally 0 came, 43 will go. Listen everyone, by seeing, right, by seeing, I think 43 is matching. B is not matching, C not matching, listen, C not matching. So answer will be either A or none of these. So for more clarity, complete the remaining elements also. Can you say what is the next element? 23. Check properly. Next element is 23. Check properly. Let me try now. Next element is 23. Next element is 23. Right? Let's do this. 23 plus 5, 28. Next element is 23. Right, 23 plus 5, what is the answer? 28. 28 into 28 by 16. By 16. So I think a key value 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. 28 into 28 by 16. I think if you see 4 right, 4 4 16, 4 7s 28. Right, 4 ones and right, 4 ones and right, 4 7s 28. 28. I think it will become 49. Please verify. 28 by 16. 4 4s, 4 7s. Right? 4 1s and 4 7s. 7 7, 49. So I think division is over. Afterwards, key plus x. X 49 came. Key is going to be what is the answer? 23. Which is going to be, right? Which is going to be, what is the answer? 72. Check. 50 plus 20, 70. Right? 72. So I think 72 came. Afterwards, 72 modulo 11. What is the answer? I think 11 6 66. 11 6 66. I think one more 6 remainder. I think in my opinion 23 will go to 6th slot. Let's check. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Check once there. 11 6 66. Remaining is going to be 6 remainder. Verify if I am done anything wrong. 23 plus 5 28 into 28 by 16. 4 4 16, 4 7s 28, 4 1s 4 7s 28, 49. 49 plus key, what is the key value? 23. 49 plus 23, I think, which is going to be 72. 72 11, what is the remainder? 72 modulo 11. 11 6 66. If I add one more 6, right, I think 6th place. 6th place 23 will be there. Please verify if I am anything wrong. So what will be the answer for this problem? What will be the answer for this problem? If anyone knows, if anyone got what is the answer of this problem? Let me know what is the answer of this problem. Let me know what is the answer of this problem. I think no one. I think if you observe clearly, 23, no one is matching. 23, no one is matching. 23 should go to 6th slot. You can, if you want, you can verify. If you want, you can verify. 23 is going to the 6th slot, but it went to the 5th slot. Some problem is came. Answer is, I am thinking answer is none of these. So please cross check properly. So in this problem, the things which you have to understand is, right, what is the hash table size, what is the hash function, and what are the keys given. Collision will come, how to resolve. Until now, no collision. Collision will come, how to resolve. Until now, no collision. right? So to this problem, answer is going to be none of these. Please let me know if anyone find out any mistake, because of some big calculations are there. So please let me know any mistake is there. 7 7s 49. 49 plus 23, which is going to be 72. Which is going to be 72. 72 or 62? 72. 9 plus 3, 12. I think which is going to be 72. Modulo 11, which will goes to 6. So I think answer is going to be fourth option. Answer is going to be fourth option. Let's go to. So in this problem, please try to understand what will be the hash function. What will be the hash table size? What are the keys? What are the collision resolution technique? Some keywords. If anyone saying that, sir, I am not getting these basics and all, sir, I am not getting these, of course you mostly may not get. The reason is actually 50 classes required, 5 classes only I am saying. Mostly you may not get it. Mostly you may not get it. To get the clear clarity, those 50 lectures you have to attend, right? Let me say one small thing. See everyone now. Finally date is, right? Date is came. Finally date is came. See this one, April 6th onwards. I thought that April 1st or 2nd, I thought like this. April 6th onwards. April 6th onwards. April 6th onwards. April 6th onwards. Programming and data structure starting. Programming and data structure starting. Right, April 6th onwards, programming and data structure starting. Timing is evening 5:30 to evening 5:30 p.m. to, right, 8:30 p.m. Timing is evening 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. Please don't miss it, because every year 10 marks minimum will come from this subject. In GATE examination, every year 10 marks will come minimum from this subject. Last year GATE examination, these 10 marks came directly from notes. Last year GATE examination, these 10 marks came directly from notes. This is the announcements from my side. April 6th onwards, programming and data structure starting 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So please take care. Plan accordingly. April 6th onwards, programming and data structure going to start 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Approximately minimum 10 marks will come. Programming and data structure minimum 10 marks will come. Programming and data structure minimum 10 marks. Mostly from notes only. Directly they will copy. My sincere suggestion is please don't miss it. 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. It is a perfect time. Don't miss it. And one more thing. See this one. One more thing. Everyone listen. One more. 13 subjects you have to prepare. GATE examination. If you want to get good rank, 13 subjects you have to prepare in 10 months only. You have 10 months time. 13 subjects you have to prepare in 10 months only. In those 10 months, right? 6 months complete syllabus. In 6 months complete syllabus. Right, remaining 4 months. Remaining 4 months practice. Thirteen subjects you have to prepare in 10 months, which is nothing but 6 months you have to complete syllabus, 4 months practice or revision or test series writing. Right, so right, these are the things: practice, revision, test series writing. Please take care. 13 subjects, 10 months. So how you study? 13 subjects, 10 months. How you study? 6 months complete syllabus, last 4 months practice. Some people are asking 6 months how to complete syllabus. 6 months how to complete syllabus. Some people are asking, nothing there. See, April month, 3 subjects complete. April, next one, May, 3 subjects complete. Right. April, May, June, 3 subjects complete. 3. How? Morning 1 subject, afternoon 1 subject, evening 1 subject complete. morning one subject, afternoon one subject, evening, like that you plan. Morning 3 hours one subject, afternoon 3 hours one subject, evening 3 hours one subject, complete like that. This is the only way. This is the only way. Some people are asking, sir, how can I complete live like this? How can I complete if live not possible? See this one, recording plus live you do. Recording plus live, few subjects recording, few subjects live you go. Few subjects recording, few subjects live you can go. 13 subjects, 10 months. 6 months complete syllabus. 4 months practice, revised, test series. So 6 months how you complete the syllabus. First 3 months complete 9 subjects. Every month 3 subject. Every month 3 subjects you complete. Every month 3 subjects you complete. Right? So how it is possible? In 1 month 3. Like that 3 months 9 subjects will complete. Remaining 3 months you can complete. Right? 9 plus 4. Right? Remaining 4 months you can try the remaining 4 subjects. So plan like that. Plan like this. Plan like this. Now go to the next one. So Unacademy introduced it recently. Unacademy notes, Unacademy material for GATE aspirants. If you want Unacademy study material for GATE purpose, GATE examination preparation purpose, scan this QR code. You can get the notes also. Use the referral code ReddySir. Use the referral code ReddySir. Unacademy notes, right? You can take and you can prepare. Scan this QR code. Use the referral code ReddySir. Now go to the next one. Right? Unacademy Lite, right? Test series. If you want to practice questions, Unacademy Lite test series you can write. Right? So Unacademy Lite test series you can take and you can do lot of practice. Many questions are there. You can practice it. And one more thing is, listen, one more thing. From 1st April onwards, price hike is there. From 1st April onwards, price hike is there. 10% hike going to be happen. My suggestion to you is, see this one. If you take plus subscription today, 32,000 plus. If you take, right, from the 1st April onwards, 35,000 plus. So if you take now only 32,000 plus, right, plus subscription 12 months, only 32k plus. Right? If you take after 1st April, it will become 35k plus. Next one, Iconic 56k plus. If you take from the April 1st onwards, 62k plus you have to pay. For 2 years, for 2 years plus is 47k plus. From the 1st April, 51k plus. Iconic 2 years, right? Now 83k plus. Right, 83k plus, right? If you go for right, from the 1st April, 91k plus. My suggestion, right? Please take subscription today only. Otherwise, you have to pay unnecessary cost. You have to pay more cost unnecessarily. So use the referral code ReddySir to get 10% discount. You will get 10% discount. And one more thing is, one more great news. Those people who want to join in Unacademy, one more great news. See this one, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30% discount. If you take subscription today, right, special price of the week. If you take subscription today, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30% discount. 110% if you use the referral code ReddySir. If you use the referral code ReddySir, you will get the 10% discount first. Next one, right? If you take the subscription before April 1st, one more 10% hike you will get. And one more special price of the week, one more 10%. Special price of the week is 110%. If you use the referral code ReddySir, one more 10%. And if you subscribe before April 1st, one more 10%. Total 30% chance is there. Those people, it's a wonderful chance. My sincere suggestion is, those people who want to join, it's the correct time to join. Please go ahead. It's the correct time. And one more thing is, see, this slide is my favorite slide. Right, in the 2022 GATE examination, my students got, right, almost all the top ranks belongs to my students only. See, Abhinav 1st rank, Gulshan 4th rank, right? So right, one more person, Akbar, right, 3rd rank. Next one is going to be Kiran, 8th rank, right? Top 10 only we got 5 ranks. Top 10 only we got 5 ranks. Top 100 we almost got 50 ranks. Top 100 we got almost 50 ranks. So I am thinking that next year this time top 100 80% people are there from Unacademy. In my opinion, right, in the next year GATE examination, top 100 80% students are there. So those people who want to write GATE examination, my sincere suggestion is, right, Unacademy is the best platform. Unacademy is the best platform. It will help you definitely to achieve your dream. My suggestion is, without thinking anything, please join. Start preparation as soon as possible. Start preparation as soon as possible. And one more. See this one, March 30, resilience batch is starting tomorrow. March 30 is tomorrow. Resilience batch is starting. You can join there. In that batch I am teaching algorithm, data structure, programming, compiler design, theory of computation. I am teaching all these 5 subjects. Right, for this batch I am teaching 5 subjects. Last year GATE examination, from these subjects 40 marks came. From these 5 subjects 40 marks came. Most of my students got 40 out of 40. Remaining subjects, I think if you remove these 5 subjects remaining, right, remaining is going to be, I think how many are there? 8 subjects. From 8 subjects get one more 40 marks. You will get the, right, first rank. You will get the first rank. Right, last year GATE examination, from these 5 subjects 40 marks came. Most of my students got 40 out of 40. Many people 90% people got minimum 35. 90% people got, right, approximately 10% people got 40 out of 40. I am very sure minimum 35 you will get. So don't miss it. Please join as soon as possible. Use the referral code REDDYSIR. Don't delay it. If anyone is delaying, if you delay more, the chances of getting rank is very less. If you delay more, the chances of getting rank is very less. Right, now see, if you want you can go for iconic also and plus also. If you go for iconic, you will get many advantages. Not 1 or 2, many advantages you will get. If you go for iconic, you will get many advantages. Plus also you can go, iconic also you can go. If you go iconic, more advantages. Now let's go for one more problem. Can you say what the answer of this problem? Yeah, Devesh, if you cannot purchase Unacademy Combat, you can write. Devesh, if you cannot purchase the Unacademy subscription, right, you can write Unacademy Combat, you can get maximum discount. But trust me, right, by preparing only on YouTube, you may not get it, because see this one, see this subject only, right? So this subject actually required 50 lectures, but I am teaching only 5 lectures. Just I am giving samples only. I am not teaching the subject. I am just giving sample only. Right, model examples, how the questions look like. Right, just I am giving sample only. Right, no one will teach, in my opinion, no one will teach full subjects here. Just they will show sample only. My suggestion is, right, if you cannot pay, right, subscription cost, write the Unacademy Combat, get the maximum discount. What will be the answer of this problem? Can you check one time? Right.
My page, sorry sir.
An advantage of chained hash table over open addressing scheme is, Devesh, If you cannot get, right, if you cannot get scholarship, if you study your own, how it is possible, Devesh? Right, join the Unacademy, try your level best, utilize the faculties as much as possible, utilize the platform as much as possible. Do like that, utilize the platform as much as possible, right? Utilize the faculty as much as possible. My suggestion is, right, take the subscription, right, get as maximum benefit as possible, right? Try your level best. So what is the answer of this problem? An advantage of chained hash table over the open addressing scheme is, chained hash table means whenever collision will come in the form of linked list you will store. Open addressing scheme means inside table only you will store. What is the advantage? If you store in the form of a chain, advantage is going to be, right, advantage is going to be you can delete very easily someone you want to delete. In the linked list, if you want to delete someone, you can easily delete by changing links only. But in the case of the open addressing scheme, if you want to delete someone, because of within the table you adjusted, many people will affect. So answer is going to be deletion is easier. Advantage of chained hash table over the open addressing scheme is deletion is easier. Deletion is easier. It is a nice question. Until unless you know clearly, you may not give the answer for this. Answer is C. Right, let's go to next problem. Remember, right, 6th April onwards, 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. programming and data structure starting. It is the 3 hours class. Right, again I am repeating. Right, 6th April onwards, 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. programming data structure starting. Programming and data structure is starting. My sincere suggestion is don't miss them. Let's go to next problem. Can you see this also? A hash table with 10 buckets with 1 slot per bucket is shown in the following figure. The symbol S1 to S7 initially entered using hash function with the linear probing. The maximum number of comparisons needed in the searching an item that is not present in the table is. Can you check once what may be the answer for this? What may be the answer for this? Can you check once? Right, a hash table with 10 buckets with 1 slot per bucket is shown in the following figure. The symbols S1 to S7 initially entered using a hash function with the linear probing. The maximum number of comparisons needed in the searching an item that is not present is. Right, in this table you are searching for someone which is not available. What is the maximum number of probes required? The maximum number of comparisons needed in searching an item that is not present. So what is the answer? Hash function also not given. Listen, hash function also not given. Some hash function you want to say a hash table with 10 buckets with 1 slot per bucket is shown in the following figure. The symbol S1 to S7 initially entered using the hash function with the linear probing. Using hash function, right? You didn't given what is the hash function. The maximum number of comparisons needed in searching an item that is not present. Very simple. See this one. There is a key. Apply hash function first. there is a key apply has function. It can go anywhere. When you apply has function, it can go anywhere. Suppose if you are lucky, right, you can go to somewhere, right, that person is your element only. The maximum number of comparisons needed in searching an item that is not present. If you are lucky, right, so directly will go to that slot only. Best case is 1. Worst case is, listen, worst case is you will go here. Worst case is you will go here, you will go here. Worst case is you will go here. It is not matching. Linear probing, you will go next one. It is also not matching. Linear probing, you will go next one. It is also not matching. Linear probing, you will go next one. It is also not matching. You will come here. You will come here. So I think right, worst case comparisons are as of now 5. First I will go to S6, right? First I will go to S6, it is not matching, linear probing. Next one, S3 not matching, linear probing. Next one, S7 not matching, linear probing. Next one, S1 not matching, right, linear probing. Next one not there. See, the item not present, not there. I means you have to see the gap. You have to see the gap. Can you help, to say element not there, best case 1, directly not there. To say element not there, best case is directly 1. Worst case 5. Worst case 5. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Please verify if anyone having doubt. Please verify if anyone having doubt. Right, now go to the next one. Let G is equal to V comma E be a simple undirected graph and S be a particular vertex in it called source. For x belongs to V, let D of x denote the shortest distance in G from S to x. A breadth first search BFS is performed starting at S. Let T be the resultant BFS tree. If UV is an edge of G that is not in T, then which one of the following cannot be the value of du minus dv? Then which one of the following cannot be the value of du minus dv? So I think this problem is belongs to, right, BFS. This problem is belongs to BFS. Right, if anyone knows, can you try first? Can you try first? What will be the answer for this? Please verify what will be the answer for this. Can you try once? What will be the answer for this? What will be the answer for this? So in the BFS is also called as level order traversal. BFS is also called as level order traversal, right? So I think in the BFS, when you say du minus dv, right, what is the du minus, what is the du means, what is the meaning of du? He said already. Let S be a particular vertex in T, in it is called the source. For x belongs to V, let d of x denote the shortest distance in G from S to X. Let d of x denote the shortest distance in G from S to X. A breadth first search is performed starting at S. Let T be the resultant BFS tree. If UV is an edge of G that is not in T, then which one of the following cannot be the value of du minus dv? So whenever one edge is there, UV, right? So if you see du and dv, if you see, right, they both can be there in the same level. So difference may be 0. They both may be there in one level in the BFS tree, right? So one level difference or no difference at all, 0 or 1 or minus 1. So I think there is no chance of 2. I think there is no chance of 2 because this may be the case, this may be the case, this may be the case, UV, right? So like this, edge is there, UV. This may be the one case. One more case is this may be the case. This may be the case, UV. Or this may be the case. This may be the case. Right? This may be the case, V and U. These are the possibilities. No other chance. No other chance. These are the possibilities. Either 0 difference or 1 difference or minus 1 difference. There is no chance of 2 difference. There is no chance of 2 difference. If you do BFS clearly, then only you can give answer for this. Take some examples, you try, you will get the answer. Sir, what does the D means here? So I think he is giving the definition. See this one. Let D of x denotes the shortest distance in G from S to X. D of x denotes the shortest distance in G from S to X. S is the source. From source to X, shortest distance is D of x. D of U means source to U, shortest distance is D of U. Source to V, shortest distance is D of V. And between U and V, edge is there. Between U and V, edge is already there in the graph. If you apply BFS, what is the du minus dv possible? And edge also there. If edge not there, you cannot say anything. Because of edge there, you can comment something. Because of edge there, in the given graph between two people already edge there, right? What is the du minus dv? Answer is 0 possible, 1 possible, minus 1 possible, 2 no chance. 2 no chance. 2 no chance. Right? Fine. Now I think this one yesterday we discussed also. This one. Can you read once? This one we discussed yesterday also. Can you read once? Can you say what is, can you read these ones? Check once if anyone having doubt. Yeah, yesterday we seen this problem. What is this one? Listen, there is a hash table with 4 slots where first slot is 0 0, second slot 0 1, third slot is 1 0, fourth slot is 1 1. Right? There is a hash table with 4 slots. For every slot is given number also. Next one, in this table I am inserting some elements where every element size is 4-bit integer. 4 bits, right? 4-bit number. It is a 4-bit number. If you convert into integer, you can convert, right? Listen, inside this table I am inserting some number, right? If you convert that number into binary format, 4 bits will be there. So some people are asking, sir, how the mapping is done? If you take any key, 4 bits are there. LSB 2 bits will go to table, right? LSB 2 bits will go to slot of the table. Right, next one, third bit will say, if third bit is 0 in this tree, go to left side. If third bit is 1 in this tree, go right side. If LSB 2 bits are 1 1, right, 1 1, come here. If LSB 2 bits are 1 0, come here. LSB 2 bits are 0 1, come here. LSB 2 bits are 0 0, come here. Right, next one. Third LSB bit is 0, go this side. Third LSB bit is 1, go this side. Next one, after coming, fourth bit is 0, go this side. Fourth bit is 1, go this side. Like that is mentioned. Now which one of the option is correct answer? Which of the following sequences of key insertions can cause the above state of the hash table? To get the above kind of diagram, what keys you have to do? Let me check once. One small question I want to ask you. LSB 01, how many people? I think 3 people. Let's check. LSB 01, let me say 01, 3 people. And one more, 10, how many people? 2 people. 11, how many people? 1 person. 00, how many? 0. Careful. Right, this is the given information. Please verify properly. Right, can you help? In this one, if you observe, everything you have to write in terms of binary format, 4 bits. What about 5? 101 is 5. Next one, what about 9? 1001. What about 4? 01004. What about 13? 1101. If you add that also, 15 will come. Next one, what about 1, right? 10 1100. Am I right? Right? No, 1010. It's going to be 1010. What about 7? 0111. Now I think if you observe clearly, right, see one time properly. 01, 3 people required. 01, 3 people. 1 person, 2 persons, 3 people. Yeah, 01, 3 people. 00, how many people? 00 actually 0, right? But here 1 person is came, so it cannot be the answer. 00 should be empty. 00 should be empty. Now similar way you can check this one. Similar way you can check this also. Right, let's check. What are the 10? 1010. What about 9? 1001. What about 6? 0110. What about 7? 0111. What about 5? 0101. What about 13? 1101. Right, now check here. So is there any 00 here? No, that's okay. Next one, how many people 11? How many people 11? Can you check 11? 1 person only, fine. Next one, 01, how many? 1. 01, 2, 3. I think 01 is 3. 11 is 1. And one more, 10, how many? 2. 102, 1, 2. I think it's a perfect. C is looking like answer. We'll check one time. C is looking like an answer. Is it exact answer or not? Let me check. C looking like an answer. Is it exact answer or not? I will check. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? 1 0, how many? 2 people. 1 0. This person. This person. Can you help me now? 1 0, 2 people is okay. What about third person? If third person is 0, which side you will go? If third person is 0, which side you will go? Go this side. If the third person is 1, which side you will go? Go right side. I think fine. Next one. What about 0 1 0 1 0 1 3 times? 0 1 0 1 3 times. Can you help me now? 0 1 0 1, right? 0 1 3 times. LSB, right? Third bit is 0. Third bit is 0. How many? I think only one person. Third bit is 0. Only one person. Next one, right? Third bit is 1. How many people? Third bit is 1. How many people? Third bit is 1. Here also 2 people. After going 0 or 1, I think it is exactly, right? Exactly. So answer is going to be C. Answer is going to be C, right? That's it. Like that you have to map. Like that you have to map. Answer C. Answer is C. Like that you have to map. I'm thinking you are really comfortable. I'm thinking you are really comfortable. Right? Yesterday I explained this problem also. You can read one time. You can read one time. To resolve more collisions, each node of the binary tree is further divided into left and right subtrees based on the fourth least significant digit. A split is done only if it is needed, that is only when there is a collision. Consider the following state of the hash table. One hash table is given. Right? So please be careful like this. So they may not give standard. See, there is no concept called dynamic hashing approach. Something like this, there is no topic, but they can create their own way. They can create their own way. Right? They can create their own way. In the given elements, how many are, right? How many LSB 2 bits are? 0 1 check, 1 0 check. Like that you can easily verify. Like that you can easily verify. Like that you can easily verify. Right? Fine. I think you got more clarity, right? So this is the today's class story. My suggestion is, if you join today only, 30% discount. Today only if you join, 30%. Tomorrow onwards one batch starting. Tomorrow onwards one batch starting. In this batch, right? 30 onwards one batch starting. In this batch, I am starting data structure. In this batch, I am starting data structure from basics onwards. In this batch, I am starting data structures, right? Programming and data structure, I am starting from basics onwards. Basics onwards, I am starting. In this batch, I am starting programming and data structure basics onwards. Don't miss it. 30, right? 30 it is starting. 5:15 p.m. it is starting. Right? This batch, right? First mathematics will come. Afterwards, I will start the programming and data structure. Programming and data structure I will start. So these are our previous rankers. I wish next year this time your rank will be there here. Right? So remember, 30% discount. 30%. This is possible. 2 more days only. I think tomorrow 30, 31st. 2 more days only. My suggestion, please subscribe today using the referral code ReddySir. Using referral code ReddySir, you can subscribe. Otherwise, you will be in the losing side. Right? Please take care. Any doubts? Before going further, any doubts? Those people who like this class, just go to unacademy.com/@ReddySir. Right? There is an option like follow. You can follow me so that all my special classes you will get. Right? Go to the unacademy.com/@ReddySir. Follow button is there. Click on the follow. Right? You will get the just click on the follow. Right? You will get all my class notifications. Right? All the free classes comfortably you can follow. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Right? So good night.